Now we have a very famous question, though those everyone asks us, that we have the fear of VARC. Like what to do in the fear of the VRC. Basically, the thing is that if you will be feared on, so how you can do it. So for that, you need to overcome your fear. And another thing is that try to do from the basic. छोटे छोटे easy RC करो solve. थोड़ी सी reading करो. Little bit of reading कि reading करो if you are not understanding it. So if and अपने mind से निकाल दो that VRC is so much huge the topic to understand. It's a very difficult thing. No, it's not as difficult when we think it. It's a difficult, we can say that it's not easy to do, but if you are consistent enough, then you can do. So basically I can say that consistency is more important than being perfect. If you are consistent enough for the two upcoming months, so you can definitely crack it. So you need to be consistent. So you can give अगर जिसको आपको डर लग रहा है, so you can denote your 2 hours का time on your verbal, half an hour reading karo and try to comprehend, and 1.5 question solve karo, like 3 hours se karo. And do one thing, like first day if you are not able to solve that, koi baat nahi, don't think that that's your exam. Do one thing, that chalo you have the 20 minutes and solve that RC, then you will definitely do it na, timer issue nahi. Then say that okay, you are able to solve that, then give yourself 15 minutes, then solve that RC, then you give yourself 10 minutes, then solve the RC, and increase your level little by little. Then like I say, like you need to be consistent enough to do that. So consistency is the key, and don't be like so much in the fear that I cannot do that. You can do it, but you need to you need to follow the right approach to solve the VRC questions. Okay. And yeah, ideal time to solve the RC in exam, that is 8 to 10 minutes. Wow, we have the another question that we are giving the mock, but our score is not improving. Okay, so for that thing in the verbal, that if you're giving the mock and your score is not improving, so I can say one thing, that is the analysis is very important, because you are doing the consistent mistake on a daily basis. That should be avoided in the exam. So please don't do that. Yes, more. Yeah, like ideal time to solve the RC, that is 8 to 12 minutes maximum. Okay, so that is like I can say that you need to do, you can give yourself 8 to 12 minutes. देखो 4 question है, 5 questions, or 10 minutes are enough to do 12 question. You have 40 minutes. The number of questions जो release होंगे वो 2-3 ही तो हो रहे हैं. But you are going to see the 3 RC. At least if you want to score good, so you need to attempt the 2 RC. Basically, the thing is that if you want to be in the 99 percentile, so you need to attempt more than 10 questions per. Okay, and the attempts should be accurate, की accuracy भी आए. Okay, so the thing is that you can ideal time to solve the RC, that is 8 to 12 minutes, and depends up to size. So 12 minutes is can the maximum, but you if you're giving the 14 minutes in the RC, so the thing is that which you need to make sure that if you're attempting the 5 question, you're getting the 4 correct or 3 correct. 3 is also not only, but 4 correct at least. So accuracy should be more if you're investing more time. And the time according to solving that should be your own, कि आपकी कितनी accuracy है, depends on your accuracy area as well. And now we have the good question, that which type of RC usually asked. देखो, basically we have the RC, which can be the history based, it can be science based in technology, it can be the business RC, it can be the political RC. 15 out of 22 correct, that should be like nearly 99 percentile. I can say 98.67 के बीच में to 99. How to start for verbal for CET? It is different from the verbal in CAT. Yes, it's a little bit different from the CAT. Basically, in the CET portion, you are going to see the lots of grammar question and vocabulary question more. So for that, you need to read a lot. For example, when you read a lot, then you can easily crack the vocabulary question, and read the book Word Power Made Easy by Norman Lewis. That is more important and very much important. So read that book, and in the starting and read a lot, and grammar pe focus karo and solve easy RC. Try to comprehend it, but reading is important. Now, if you are starting from now to read, so directly don't go for the Hindu, because Hindu is a newspaper which is not easy to comprehend in the starting. It's difficult. Go for other newspaper like Times of India, New York Times, anyone which you like to read. The book name is Word Power Made Easy. You can get the playlist as well on the YouTube channel of CET King. For the grammar is not good, how you can improve? So for grammar, you need to solve the questions, you need to understand the context, and if you are preparing for the CET, so definitely you are going to get the classes as well. So attend the classes, there you are going to be taught about the grammar. Any more question? Okay, how to solve the odd one out of para summary? For the para summary question, how to solve the para summary? For the para summary question, please read the first you need to read the summary paragraph, and then you need to create a own summary in your mind, and don't then go to the switch options. There are the options which is talking sometimes different. Eliminate the options, do the elimination method and as well, and then solve it. That is the thing which I can say. So what is the time we should invest in the analysis? Basically, if you are attempting the 2 hours the mock, so you need to invest the 2 hour in the analysis as well, because analysis is important, and I can say that analysis is more important in giving the mock. उसका कोई फायदा नहीं है कि when you are giving just mock पे mock and you are not doing any analysis. So analysis is very important. You can invest 2 to 3 hours of time in the analysis as well, and solve the questions again which you see in the mock. How much time for non-RC? Okay, how much time you can denote for the non-RC, that depends up to you. Like I can say one thing, that if someone is good in the RC, so definitely then they will attempt the RC first, then they will move to the non-RC, and it depends on your accuracy, that if you have the good accuracy, so you can give the time like 2 minutes per question you can denote. Okay, so that is the ideal time. So it depends on how many questions you are going to attempt in the. You gave mock on the weekends. Can you send a mock number from newspaper pattern based mock so we can analyze it? Newspaper pattern, I don't get your question. You need to invest like 2 to 3 hours ka time in the mock analysis. New paper pattern, okay. You need to really invest 2 to 3 hours in the mock analysis, because analysis is very much important, and that is important more than mock, I can say. And you can definitely create your spreadsheet as well. Key mock analysis spreadsheet for the weekly analysis, and you can, if you don't want to create the spreadsheet, so you can do one thing, that you can write down in your notebook. Okay, so now anyone question, anyone, you can ask a question like. Yes, Jay, I'll tell you the in the target group, I'll tell you that. Okay, I'll spell that. We to read the resources, you need to read the Aeon Essays, Guardian, Mackenzie Insights, you can read, and the Atlantic. Basically, mock analysis, now we are going to take the mock analysis on every week. Sunday will be the day for the mock analysis. Okay, don't worry. I'm going to type it here. Don't worry. You need to read the Aeon Essays. Okay, and you need to read the Guardian. You need to read the Atlantic. And you can also read the Mackenzie Insights. And one more thing, that you can refer the Mint RC as well, because Mint newspaper, that is also you can refer. Their editorials are good, and they have the very good newspaper, like they use the flow chart and more like data type stuff. So those who are interested in their business one, they can read. Okay. Now we have the question that should we do the previous year paper? Someone is asking that. Basically you have to do that. I can say that you have to do, you should do. That is a important thing. Like after mock, the important thing is that you attempt the previous year question as well, because then you get to know that what is a pattern and how they provide you the question. So read that ki what is the way they can ask the question. So basically you need to read the question as well. You really need to solve the previous year. In fact I can say कि आज से ही solve करना शुरू कर दो. Like 1995 से लेके 2020 तक के सारे papers solve करो there, and like start with the 2020, then 2019, 2018. That is very important because that is a cat level na? You will see the questions which can be in your exam. You will see the type of question that is ultimately the type of according to the cat exam. Omkar, DM me for to join that. One more thing that that how you can get the in previous year paper. First of all, in your login ID, there are the mocks which are based on the previous year question paper. Like previous year question papers are arranged in the form of mock. You can attend that as well. And one more thing, that there are the previous year paper on the CET King website. You can go to the website and you can find the paper there as well. Okay, so go to the CET King website. There are the previous year papers. So solve that as well. You can solve that. And one more thing, you can solve the paper in the form of mock as well. In your login ID, you have the mocks of the previous year paper. So go to your login ID and there's a paper which are based in a pure paper timer one. So attempt that as well. That is also good. That is a form in the form of the mock. And one more thing, guys, that please pull up your socks now because you have really 2 months time. So pull up your socks and start preparing hard because this is a high time. If you'll not start from today, so when you'll start? Then if you are not starting, so I can say that you can go for the 2022.